Hello, young scholars. Welcome to another science class with Miss Damilola. Today we'll be talking about water. You know, water is very essential, very important to all human beings. For you to know good water, to know the qualities of water. So, waters, they are colorless. They don't have color. They are odorless. They don't smell. And they are tasteless. They don't have any taste. If the water you have is having those attributes like they taste, they smell, it is not a good water for you to drink. In fact, you don't need to make use of the word water. You can see the boy is carrying a cup of a clean water, which is very good for you to drink. So make sure whenever you want to drink a water, it should be clean, it should be colorless and odorless. These are the good qualities of water. Now let's check sources of water. Where does water comes from? I know most of you know about the tap, you know about well, but we have different sources of water. And I told you that we human beings can't survive without water. Not only human beings, even plants and animals can't survive without water. Tell me in a day if you haven't used water. Yes, you use water to bathe. Even the food that you ate in the morning or you eat, you will make use of water to cook them, isn't it? So we use water every day. You can see that water is very important. We have the river water. River water, you do see this maybe whenever you travel to your village, people fetch water from this place. River water. Then we have lake. Lake is a big body of water surrounded by land. It is a big pond. Yes, and you can see fish swimming inside of it. And we have the ocean. Ocean covers most of the earth's surface and you can see various animals in it. We also have well water. Well water too is mostly used in the village. Yes, well water is used in the village. Not only in village, that's some rural parts of the world. You can see them making use of well water. As you can see, those children, what are they doing? They are trying to pull out water from the well. We also have rainwater. Rainwater, most of you, whenever it is raining, your mom do put a bucket outside, right, to collect some water from the rain, maybe some dropping from the roof, so the droplets will be inside the bucket. So we have the rainwater. As you can see, people with umbrella, they're making use of umbrella for them not to get drenched, I mean wet, by the rain. Now, what are the importance of water? Remember, I told you that living things can't survive without water, right? So we need water to survive. Likewise, plants needs water to grow. If there is no water, the plant can't grow. It will wither away. That means it will dry off. Also, animals too, they need water for survival. We all need water for survival. Now you've known a lot about water. Now let's conserve water. Don't say, oh, because there's water at home, you leave it running. You leave the tap water running. No, you don't do that. Like when you are brushing your teeth, you switch off the tap, as you can see the boy is doing. You switch off the tap. You only open the tap whenever you want to use the water. You only open the tap. And also, whenever there is a leakage from your pipe, the pipe at home, you inform your parents, mom, there is a water leakage. Not for you to tamper with those pipes. It is wrong for you to tamper with those pipes. That means you are wasting water. And let's know how to make use of water safely. If you know you can't swim, do not go to the swimming pool. And whenever you want to swim, make sure an adult is there to monitor you. Is that correct? I hope you've learned a lot about water, the sources of water, and how to conserve water. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch some exciting and interesting video for you to learn. Learn and learn. So see you in my next video. Bye.